Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video I will be creating this bold makeup look and it is very easy, trust me. I did not use many expensive products also in this one. Mostly all the products are under rupees 500 only, and this look is perfect to wear during evenings. So if you are interested, you can continue watching this video. This is a very small skincare routine that I mostly follow before doing any makeup. My skin is dry, so this combination of oatmeal and curd really works wonders for my skin. So after exfoliating my skin, I like to moisturize it really well. Always conceal these major areas like our eye area where we usually develop darkness, and around our nose. Indian skin tone tends to get a little darker sometimes, though some people are really very lucky, they don't have any dark areas, but those kind of people are quite rare. I do have a lot of darkness around my eye area, so I tend to conceal it really properly. This is the first time I'm using this foundation, and I was, to be honest, because this is really very affordable. It's less than 200 bucks, and I was so skeptical before using this, but it turned out better than I had expected, and it's got a really decent good coverage. During summers it becomes mandatory for me to use a powder to set my makeup, else it's just going to melt off. So always use a powder. And this particular eye look is really very easy, guys. It won't take you much time to complete it. It is a quick one, and it took me less than even 2 minutes to complete this eye look. You just have to blend the colors properly and you are done. You don't have to get into any hassle. You can use a cello tape if you want, even I am using one. It really does help. On this area I used a little bit of concealer, and on top of it I used a very light golden sort of a shade. It might not be visible due to lights and all, but it's a very pretty shade. Just cleaning out any fallouts. Around these areas also I am using the same golden shade only. Use this eyeliner and mascara, these two are also very affordable. And then I'm just going to line up my lips. If anytime you want me to make a specific video on how I line my lips to make them look a little plump, you can let me know in the comments and I will do that. Now this is another very affordable product which you will get under rupees 300 only in case you want to buy, and I really liked it. A little goes a long way, so I did not put on too much of it, and it is very much pigmented. I have left all the links in the description in case you want to purchase any of these products. You can easily buy, or you can also use a brown lipstick if you have, that also works really good. Use a darker shade, don't use a light shade. This one was gifted to me by one of my friends, and I'll definitely try to find if it is on Amazon, and I will leave the link in the description if possible, else I'll leave a replacement for this one. And now I'm going to share this hack with you. If you don't have a setting spray, don't worry, you can use a facial mist. So we are done. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thank you.